AI is changing the dynamics with everything. And one thing that I don't see a lot of people talk about is the prospect that AI avatar tools have on businesses. These tools are insanely powerful and they've gotten a lot better than you might think. Sure, the early days were glitchy, the lips wouldn't sync, the words would be going somewhere and the avatar would be going somewhere else, but that's not the case anymore. These tools are really, really good now. Imagine being able to send all of your prospects a hyper personalized video of your sales rep talking to them like this video was created just for them. Are people using these tools right now? Yes, but are they using them for the purposes that I think are great? No. Right now, people are using these tools for YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, talking head videos, but that's not really where these tools shine. So, the workflow that I'm going to show you today incorporates Heygen into an n8n workflow that creates a hyper personalized video to your customer in seconds. Then, once you have that video, do with it what you will. Send your customers directly to that link, WhatsApp them the link, send them the link in an email, whatever you want. This is how this workflow works. The first step is for you to gather information. We're using an n8n form on this workflow, but it could be anything. It could be a Facebook ad. It could be a webhook coming in from an application. It could be a form from your website or your landing page. The whole point is that you need, to the very least, the customer's name and their business's name so they can create a hyper personalized message just for them. Now, the next step is the AI agent. The AI agent takes that information that you got from your previous step, which is the n8n form in our case, and it creates a hyper personalized script just for them. Now, the next 2, 3, 4, 5 nodes are for Heygen, where we first get a list of avatars that are available within your Heygen account. So, what this node is going to do, it's going to go into Heygen, fetch a list of all the avatars that exist over there. Remember that you're going to have to create your avatar first before you run this workflow so that Heygen is able to find the video that you want to create. Think of it this way. You created a sample video on Heygen that gives them your avatar with your voice. This node is going to search for that theme or template that it's going to use to create the hyper personalized video. The get voice node works similar to the get avatar node, where Heygen will then look for your voice. And send request node is basically you sending the request to Heygen to create the video using this script, this avatar, and this voice. The next 4 nodes are basically the workflow waiting and checking the status of the video so that it doesn't break in between and delivers the final video to your Google Drive. Let's test this workflow out. So we execute the workflow, and the first thing it asks for is the name and the business name. Let's just go ahead and put this. And the workflow has begun. The AI agent has given us a script like, "Hi Khizr, great to have you on board. We're excited to work with Khizr Automates. Next step is blah, blah, blah." Now, this is basically the script that the Heygen avatar is going to speak out. And the next step is for us to get the avatar. It's gone ahead into Heygen and look for my avatar. It's given the avatar ID, which we pass on to the next node, which is for get voices. And we look for our voice. And we have selected the voice for Khizr, which is this with its ID, and send request. This node has sent a request to the Heygen API, and this is our video ID for that generation. The next 1, 2, 3 nodes is basically the Heygen API waiting for the video to get generated. Now, if we didn't have these nodes inside the workflow, the entire workflow would break because there's no way for n8n to know when the video has completed. So once it gets the status, if the status is still in progress, it waits for 5 seconds, goes to the if node, and if the status that has been passed on to the if node is still not completed, it'll go back to the get status, wait again until it gets the status which says completed. As soon as that's done, the HTTP request node over here is going to download the data of the avatar into our workflow. So you can actually view the final video over here. Hi Khizr, great to have you on board. We're excited to work with Khizr Automates. Next step is to answer the questionnaire we've emailed you about. And that's our video. And the last step is for us to actually upload this video to our Google Drive. Now, if we go into Heygen, you'll see that this video is created and it's accessible over here at all times. You can download the video at any time you want. And one thing to understand about Heygen's API is that it's not exactly cheap, but for the value it delivers, it's penny on the dime. So if you go to settings after you're logged into app.heygen.com, sign up for a free account, go over to your subscriptions and API, and then go to the Heygen API. You'll see that we're on the free plan, and we initially got 10 credits. I wasted 4 credits just testing out the whole thing. 3 credits. And if you want to upgrade, these are the pricing tiers for the API. So you get 10 free credits on the free plan. If you want 100 credits, you get 99. You get that for $99 a month, and then so on. You do get a Heygen watermark on the free plan, but then that goes away as soon as you pay for the pro subscription. And that's it. That's the entire workflow. I've left a link inside the description so that you can download this workflow for yourself. And if you found any sort of value in this video, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments what you think. What would you like for it to do after the video is created? And I'll see you in the next one.